Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. Hey, if you follow me you will notice, or if you've been watching my videos you'll notice that I sort of do things in seasons. I was just doing the white collection and bowls and home decor things. Now I'm with Pen's bookmark keychains. A bookmark, there's always time for bookmarks, and that's what I'm going to show you today, how to make these bookmarks using alcohol inks. I'm going to use these very pretty beads, and I found these beads on Temu when I did my haul. Did you see my haul? These are some of the beads I got, and I'm going to show you how I did it. Check the card above on my crafters haul from Temu. I also did another set of bookmarks. This is also very beginner friendly. So keep watching. Even though you don't have these beads, you can use glitter, you can use other form of beads, you can use cutouts, you can use stickers. I just want to share that with you. And we're also going to use our MEYSPRING white pearl. So keep watching. I mix our resin and then I come back to you. These have cured and I totally love the color. How bright. They just make you want to pick a book and read. And I want to show you a close-up. We are not personalizing this, so we're just demolding. If you are going to personalize, check the card above on how we do that using our Cricut Maker, and on the playlist there are several ways how to do your personalization if you don't have a Cricut Maker. All right. I love the way this little, see how the beads look, and we've picked a color from some of the beads, you know, to demold. And I love the way you see that clear look on the other side. And so if we were to personalize, we would personalize on the other side. And if you'd like to order these, or someone orders, I'll do that and then put a layer of resin. If it will be after a while, UV resin is the easiest and the quickest, and I'll show you how to do that. So let's demold these. Right, so one by one, and then we'll turn around. Look at those colors. And if you like this, please subscribe and press the notification bell, or follow me at Juliet Migwi Inspires on TikTok and Instagram, so that you will see more variations of this as I make, and also to see when I make sets with the key holder and resin pen. All right, so here they are. Look at those colors. So let's turn them around. We see how the white looks. Oh, I love that. I love that. I'll show you close up. I'll show you how, when I put the tassels for you, I'll show you a close up for you to see how this. Let me show you on this one, because it's darker, you'll be able to see. See how the color has gone into this violet, has blended into the white, and it looks nice and seamless. And the most likely thing, if we wanted to, we could put it here or on this side, but because this has white, would be a nice spot to put personalization. Imagine this as you read. So now we'll just debar this, and let me show you how we debar. Just pick the deburring tool and just do like this, so then the edges are not sharp like that. And so if you touch it now, the edges are not sharp. Also, now I'll debar all of them, and then we put the tassels, and then we show you how they look in the end. Don't go away. Now we just need to place in the tassels, and then we're done. They are ready to go. All you need to do is wait for the nice photos to see a nice close-up, especially to see the beads nicely inside. We are going to use this small wire to make it easier for us to put it in without having to struggle or to unravel, because sometimes when you try to squeeze this in, it doesn't go in as smoothly, because of course this is string. All right, so let's go. So we just take the wire, put the tassel in, and then just place it in. We're placing it in from the back, and then that's it. Oops. And that is done. All right, let's do the next one, the purple. With the wire. Nice and easy way to put in the tassels without unraveling our tassels. And this time I have put in the tassels, let's say like the blue with the blue, but it doesn't even have to be that. You could even just put all white tassels. Like this, I could put mauve or fuchsia or a darker pink. You know, they don't have to be matchy match. Yeah. All right, and the last one. I can't wait to play around with this. So there we go. God bless you, Barakatella. See you on my next video. And thank you for staying till the end.